welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to define your curls. If you want to learn how to take your hair from this to this, keep on watching this video and also be sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's just get into this video, okay? So what I'm going to start by doing is parting my hair into a C part. If you need help doing that, I'm definitely showing you how to do it right now because I get a lot of questions on how to part like a C part instead of just that straight blunt side part, which I do not like. I feel like the C part just looks more natural in my opinion, but this is how I part my C part. And this wig is also a custom made wig by me. And if you are interested in this hair vendor, please let me know. I'll leave it in the description box so you can go and get yours. But once we get our C-shaped part, like you see, we are going to use our whole lot of body mousse and just put this on top of the hairline and on the hairline also, just to mold everything in place. So when we start plucking, the knots will be a little wet. Now that's one of my secrets. When you are plucking, you want to make sure that the knots are a little wet because it'll come out a little easier, which prevents holes from, you know, forming in your lace when you are plucking. So make sure that you get that hairline very good with the mousse. Now I have a separate video on how to pluck like in depth, because this video is just for specifically, it was really for the curls. So if you want to see how to pluck a hairline, make sure to go watch my other video on how to do that. It's very informative and very detailed, way more than this video is. But once I pluck my hairline, I also part like another section and I pluck behind the hairline. This is another one of my tips that you will see in my video. So if you have not seen that video, please go and watch that video and then come back and finish this one, okay? But anyway, so this is how the hair looks once we pluck off of the hairline. It's looking real nice, real natural. And we are going to just go in and blow dry from that mousse that we put on there. Now, this wig was already air dried, but I didn't customize it yet because for this video's sake, I wanted to make this video. But we're just going to go in and blow dry that top part just so I can mold it down and get it all, you know, flat and everything like that. I will be using my Care wax stick. This is like my holy grail. And I'm just going to put it at the root. Okay, this is the secret for all wax sticks. Whenever they say wax sticks are not made of like oil, yes, it is. All wax sticks are. That's what makes them a wax stick, okay? But the key is how to apply it. You only want to apply it to the root, okay? Because once you put that heat on it, it'll slip down a little bit, okay? So you don't want your hair to be greasy and stringy. You definitely don't want that. That's not a good look, okay? So just do it at the root, and then I go in with my hot comb with the highest heat. Very careful not to, you know, let that heat sit on your lace too long because you could burn your lace. So just take precaution when you are doing this step, and we are just going to do that on both sides of this wig. Now, once I get to the top, I'm going to apply this spritz just to the hairline, just to make that hairline a little bit more crispy, because who doesn't love a good looking hairline? And also, this is just easier so when you are cutting your lace, you don't have any of those like flyaway hairs in the way that can mess up your lace when you decide to go in and cut it. So this is the wig once I shampooed it. Now I didn't shampoo it, but I just wet it in the sink because honestly, y'all, with a spray bottle, it would have took forever. So I just wet the hair, making sure that I did not wet the top of the hair where we just worked on, because that'll defeat the whole purpose of doing it. So I only wet it a little bit because I'm going to go back in and wet it with the spray bottle. But like I said, spraying this whole wig with just a spray bottle would take a long time because these bundles are so full and thick. And this has 4 bundles of hair actually. So this was just a quicker way for me to do it. But I'm going to go in and detangle all of this wig. You'll see me doing, and I go in sections because I want to make sure that I get the roots. You want to make sure, you want to make, excuse me, you want to make sure that you are combing like the root and everything. Now, once I get all of this wig detangled, I go back in with my Whole Lotta Body mousse. You can use any type of mousse that you want to use, but this is just one of my favorite mousses. And I'm just going to put a whole bunch of mousse into this hair. And then I'm just going to brush it through, making sure that all the hair is evenly saturated with the mousse from top to bottom. And make sure that you go in, like, make sure, because I did this off camera, but make sure you go in those sections and not just, you know, not just get the top layer. I am so sorry, y'all. This is so random, but I actually have a stutter. And I'm learning to just be okay with it, because if not, I will have to record this video about 5 times. So please don't mind that. But once I do that, I go in with my Blueberry Best. This is just some leave-in conditioner to help with the curls and soften the hair up. And this will actually help that mousse not get so like crunchy how it usually does. And then I top it off with some hair serum. Now you can use any type of hair oil, some type of oil sheen, just to get that, you know, shine that you need for these curls. And it also just, you know, it makes the hair look wet, even though, you know, like once it dries, it'll still look wet, which is something that I love about this defining routine. But this is how the curls turned out. How good do they look? Okay, now if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video and also be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.